ready?
Yes, Mom. I'm ready too.
Today, we are going to the supermarket.
Yay!
I want to buy apples. And I want chocolate.
Remember, good manners are important everywhere.
Wow! So many things. I want candy now.
Tom, stop running!
Oh!
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. That's okay. Please walk carefully.
Running in a supermarket is bad manners.
I understand.
No, Boo.
Oh no! We must look carefully. We should not play with everything.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I can't find my mom.
Don't worry. Mom.
Excuse me, this little girl seems to have lost her mother. Can you make an announcement?
Certainly. Attention shoppers, a young girl has been found at the customer service counter.
If you are her mother, please come to the front. My daughter.
Thank you very much. And Siflay Kaso Fenta.
You're welcome.
Helping others is good manners.
Tom, you must ask before eating.
I'm sorry. I forgot. I will remember.
It's okay. We pay first. Then, we eat.
It smells wonderful.
Thank you for waiting. You have good manners.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you, young man. You are very kind.
My pleasure.
You are becoming very polite.
Everyone waits for their turn.
Okay, I will wait.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your total is $50.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. What did you learn today?
I learned not to run. I should wait my turn. I should ask before eating.
I learned to touch things carefully. I should say please and thank you.
Very good.
Good manners make shopping safe. They also make